Hi guys, welcome back. This trick involves a Rubik's Cube and a deck of cards. This is my 7th trick, and you can see that all the cards are different. They're all different. And I need a spectator for this trick. And what I want you to do is keep your eyes on that Rubik's Cube the whole trick. So what I want the spectator to do is say stop whenever you want.
Stop.
Okay, so you stopped at this card, and I want you to show it to everyone, and I want you to examine and make sure that there's nothing fishy about it. It is a real card. So I'm going to put it right here, and what I'm going to do to the card is I'm going to, tear the card completely. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it inside the Rubik's Cube. And gone completely. Now what I want you to do is come and look at this cube inside one piece. Inside one piece of the cube. Inside that piece, there is something inside. If I take my hand out, you can see there is, in fact, a torn card. And it happens to be the 4 of Hearts. Now, what is even cooler is it is a perfect resemblance. That was the trick. Hope you liked it.